Well, the new railway is also one part of the China proposed Belt and Road initiatives, and this year marks the third anniversary of the initiatives, with more countries are joining hands to promote mutual development. Many of those countries are already seeing the gains.
More than 50 billion US dollars. That's the money China and other countries are investing in the Belt and Road Initiative. The accumulated contracts signed under the plan are worth nearly 280 billion US dollars. Progress is coming in earlier than expected.
China has been efficient in terms of integrating its Belt and Road Initiative with development plans in countries like Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Russia and Pakistan.
Under the initiative, China established more than 50 bilateral economic and trade cooperation zones overseas. The Sihanoukville Special Economic Zone in southwestern Cambodia is one of them. The zone is the biggest of its kind in the country and was founded by Chinese and Cambodian companies. It's created around 13,000 jobs for locals and has increased their average income from $400 to $1,000 per year.
With the Special Economic Zone as its engine, our province is leading the economic growth in the country. We really appreciate China's Belt and Road Initiative, which brings us opportunities of development.
Practices like these benefit local communities and give Chinese companies a foothold in foreign markets. And that's exactly the spirit of the Belt and Road Initiative.